Everything these days seems to be moving in the wireless Bluetooth world. Your phone has it, your tablet has it, your laptop has it, and now even desktops are coming with Bluetooth installed on them. Which is why we have these speakers right here. This is the Logitech Z337. What's special about these is that they have a Bluetooth chip in them. They're desktop speakers that have a Bluetooth chip. Now here's an interesting feature about these speakers. It says there's no need to disconnect or repair when switching between audio sources. Now that sounds like to me where you can have multiple Bluetooth devices connected to it at once and seamlessly connect to them. That's honestly pretty cool. It's got bold sound and it has strong bass. And now that's a big thing because I am honestly a bass head, and I want to see how these little speakers can sound with the bass, you know. Now you also have the ability to be able to connect these speakers through a audio jack itself if that's all your computer has, which is really nice to know. Okay, we got a lot of things here. Oh my gosh, a lot of things. Okay, here's the audio cable. Oh my gosh, there's a lot. How do you get this all out of here? Ooh, that's kind of cool. It's all just, you got this handle to pull it out with. I like that. This looks like the subwoofer, I believe. You know what? That's actually pretty big. I like that size of that sub. Over here, it looks like we got the speakers themselves. Now it says they're satellite speakers. I'm not sure what that means. Now that's light. It's light and they got this wooden feel to them, which is kind of nice. I don't know what I was expecting. To be honest, they don't feel plasticky. They definitely got a wood enclosure, and ooh, it's got this nice fabric here too, right in front of the speaker. Oh, that's nice. Nice touch. Over here is the little control knob guy, and it looks like it's got a Bluetooth button right here. So that's probably how you switch between the audio sources. It's an on and off button, so you can turn it off right there at your desk, right where your hand is. That's nice. No need to reach behind and flick a switch. And you also have a headphone jack here, so when you want to have it quiet during gameplay at night or whatever, it's very nice. It's got this nice rubber here. It just sits there. Okay, let's check these out. I got them all set up. Let's go ahead and turn this on, the switch, and hit the Bluetooth button to start the pairing process. It starts flashing blue and white. Find it on my phone, connect it. That easy. Let's check out that bass. Okay, that sounds really good. Got a little carried away there. Wow, those are, for a little subwoofer like that, that sounds impressively well. Definitely can see this at my desktop where I have, instead of just a sound system, you got these things here. Wow. Well, that kind of blew me away about how they sounded. It sounded a little too nice. I bought subwoofers for just $80 or $100 more than this, and that, it sounds really decent. You got Bluetooth, you got the controller, you got subwoofer, you got the speakers as well, and it's all for $80, and that just sounds good. Let's go ahead and connect multiple Bluetooth devices and see how well we can switch over to those. Get to pairing mode again. There we go. Found it right away. Click on it, and it's connected. Let's see how this switches over. So first of all, play my phone. Obviously it's playing there. Now, if you want to play the other phone, do you just hit play? That is really cool. All I gotta do, it somehow knows that if audio is playing from this source, it'll just switch it over automatically. You don't have to press any buttons, don't have to set up anything on the phone. It automatically plays whichever audio source has the music playing. Let's go ahead and connect the audio jack to the iPhone and seeing how it switches between audio jack and Bluetooth at the same time. Plug this guy back here. Plug you into there. Now let's say you have your computer connected and you're playing a game, but you wanted your phone next to you and you wanted to listen to some music. What does it do? Let's find out. So here I got the computer, iPhone 6 computer, connected through the cable. Okay, got some audio playing. Now let's say I want to listen to some music on my phone. Now, I will say it does great at the whole playing a game on these speakers and then listening to music, because it's just, that's kind of what you want to do. You can mute the game and even though and play music or whatever. That gives you the seamless connectivity for a great user experience, and I absolutely love that. And that's kind of sort of thing you don't expect out of an $80 speaker set. It blows my mind. I love these speakers. I'm definitely going to be setting these up at home. I'm going to be using them all the time. This is absolutely fantastic. Now, I hope right about now you got all these ideas going through your head as to what you can hook this up for or what you can do with them. And if that is what you're thinking, we have the link down below in the description. It's on Amazon for about $80 right now. If you guys buy them or if you already own a set of these, let us know what you think about them down below in the comments. And if you got any other Bluetooth suggestions for speakers like this, please let us know. I would love to do a review on them. I am in love with these speakers and I hope you guys would enjoy them too.